Cities are engines of economic growth, yet they are ill-equipped to enhance their competitiveness, raise gaps within the local economic ecosystem, or enable themselves to attract FDI required to aid the process of local economic development. Under the India Smart Cities Fellowship Program, our team LED has developed a local economic intelligence platform, LEAP, which uses robust data analysis, creative visualizations, and decision support system for taking informed decisions on the economic development of the city. The tool is being developed in collaboration with Smart City Program Limited. In addition to providing economic intelligence, LEAP serves as an aggregated local economic data platform. On selecting the city on the LEAP dashboard, the city profile opens, which provides economic profiling about the city, such as major economic sectors, workforce participation, and specific indices. The first tab of the platform is Rapid Economic Assessment, which uses local economic development framework to place the city economy against the 4 pillars of the economic ecosystem: human capital, investment, infrastructure, and policy variables. Each of these pillars is given an index value. The indicators used for each pillar are given here, and you will find visualizations for the relevant data. The second tab is Cluster Analysis, which provides information on the forward-backward linkages of the economy using the GST datasets for establishments and their associated transactions. It visualizes sector-wise turnover and sectoral distribution of imports and exports. The tool is being developed to form a cluster map to represent and analyze the forward-backward linkages between these sectors. The third tab of LEAP is Economic Competency, which provides information regarding the comparative and competitive advantage of the local economy using employment datasets. The platform uses location quotient and chip share analysis method to represent the information. The final tab of LEAP is the Decision Support System. Using the analysis of the Economic Competency tab, DSS places the economic sectors according to the 4 viability classes. On the basis of this classification, the city administrator could gain information regarding the potential economic sectors. Furthermore, it states the resiliency of the local economy by looking at the GVA share of the top 5 sectors of the economy and their corresponding FDI inflow. The administrator could then select the aspirational sector for economic development, following which the platform provides indices along LED indicators for the particular sector. Additionally, the platform provides intervention direction for each of these pillars. The local economic intelligence platform will help city authorities and investors take informed decisions, thereby aiding the process of economic development. Thank you for your time.